Hi everyone, my name is Oriel. I'm a 26-year-old PhD candidate at the Big Biomedical Data Lab under the supervision of Nadav Rappaport. And today I will be giving a short presentation of my research proposal, Generalist Medical AI. Why do we need to rethink clinical research? Traditional methods for generating evidence, like randomized controlled trials, and even retrospective studies are getting more and more expensive, time-consuming, and they are often limited in scope. Recent advancement in generalist medical foundation models, a term I'll use in this presentation, presents a unique opportunity. So what are GMFMs? GMFMs are usually large models trained on large unlabeled corpuses, namely electronic health records or clinical notes, medical imaging, and sometimes even continuous forms of data like EEG and EKG. They require very little labeled data to adapt to a new task. And they show great performance in those downstream tasks like prediction, so disease prediction, mortality prediction, or, or treatment prediction. And they also show great promise in other downstream tasks like NLP-based tasks, such as name entity recognition or standardization. So the hypothesis for this study is, can we use GMFMs, those large models, to conduct retrospective studies synthetically? And this is done by fine-tuning the GMFM for counterfactual cohort generation. So the plan for the research is as such. We plan to conduct the training of large GMFM using unlabeled data from EHR sources, clinical notes, and other modalities. Then we want to evaluate the performance or the utility of the GMFM using known tasks, known downstream tasks like disease prediction, risk prediction, and medical QA, for example. We then want to fine-tune the GMFM for the ultimate task, which is cohort generation with parameters. That way, it will allow us to generate two cohorts, which are essentially different in one or more parameters, essentially making it so one cohort is a counterfactual for another, and this enables us to test hypotheses on those two cohorts. On the second utility evaluation, basically evaluating the fine-tuning for cohort generation, we intend to do that using clinical trials data and retrospective studies by trying to mimic the results of previous clinical trials and retrospective studies and seeing if the cohorts that we generated using the fine-tuned model come with the same results for the study. We also intend to do a human evaluation step with the conjunction with medical doctors. Thank you all for listening, and hope to hear from you soon.